Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into Fullscreen immediately. Press F11 or use the app's Fullscreen command so you can see how the toolbar behaves. Once done, save any open files because some apps alter UI state while saving. Make sure to disable overlays and browser extensions that add toolbars. They often persist in Fullscreen. If you're on a touchscreen, use the gesture or system control center to trigger Fullscreen so you can proceed with the next steps without unexpected interruption. Now dive into settings to remove the toolbar. In the app, enable immersive mode, hide menu bar, or turn on auto hide for toolbars so they retract automatically. Then, go to your operating system settings and set the taskbar or dock to auto hide with minimal delay so it won't appear when you move the cursor. Also inspect accessibility features. Some settings prevent auto hide to aid navigation, so make sure those aren't forcing the toolbar visible while in Fullscreen. Finish by testing interactions. Move the cursor to the screen edge and away, press ESC or F11 to dismiss any visible toolbar, and confirm it stays hidden during normal use. If the toolbar persists, restart the app, clear its cache or profile data, and recheck settings. As a troubleshooting tip, boot the app or system in safe mode or with extensions disabled to isolate third-party plugins that force a toolbar. If safe mode fixes it, re-enable items one by one to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.